Hey guys, Bartle from Impress Computers, and today we're going to show you an overview of the Lenovo P620 AutoCAD machine. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alrighty guys, just to start off, they have the Threadripper Pro, which is the 3955WX. This comes with the base clock speeds of 3.9 gigahertz up to 4.3 gigahertz when it comes into play when you're using a lot of applications. Now, this video card has the RTX4000 AutoCAD. It's a Quadro version. It's 8 gigs in there. It's plenty of power if you're gonna do 3D Max, you know, AutoCAD, any kind of SketchUp application that you need to do graphical editing on it. This will be able to handle it for you. Now, when it comes to RAM, we have jumped from 32 that came with it to 128 gigs of RAM. It's a lot of RAM. They need plenty of power on this computer, and for the actual storage, it's got a 512 gigabyte NVMe. You can upgrade it if you'd like to, and you got plenty of more RAM storage capacity. You got plenty of PCI Express ports. This particular fan comes with a push-pull configuration. As you can tell, you got a heat sink on this side, pushing through the heat out, and this fan is also taking the heat out of this one. And last but not least, the fan in the back is pushing all this air out. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys are interested in a machine like this, we actually are going to have this posted on the website. If you guys have any questions, please leave your comments down below. Thank you.